In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check the PHP version of your WordPress site. Knowing your PHP version helps you confirm your site is running securely and efficiently, and it also ensures themes and plugins you use are compatible. Start by signing in to WordPress.com and opening the site's dashboard. If you manage more than one site, pick the one you want to check. From your dashboard, head into Settings. This is where WordPress groups most technical and administrative options, so it's the quickest path to server details. Inside Settings, look for the Server section and open it. Here you'll find hosting-related information. Next, select PHP. This page shows the PHP version your site is using. On the free plan, WordPress.com manages the PHP version for you, and you'll see that it runs on the platform's recommended version. That means you don't have to maintain it yourself, which is great for simplicity and security. If you only needed to verify your version, you're done. If you need more control, such as selecting a different PHP version or using advanced tools, choose Upgrade Plan from this page. You'll see options like Business and Commerce, which unlock features such as plugins, SFTP, and more granular server settings. Review the billing choices. You can pay yearly, every 2 years, or every 3 years, and sometimes there's a promotional discount of up to 65% off for longer commitments. There's also a pay monthly option if you prefer flexibility. If you're just exploring, use the back option to return without making changes. To research compatibility and tools that relate to PHP, go to Plugins from your dashboard. In the plugin directory, use the search bar and type PHP. As you type, results will update dynamically. Look for a plugin entry by the author cyclone code, such as custom PHP settings, and open it to learn more. On the plugin page, browse through the tabs. Installation shows how to set it up. Changelog reveals what's changed between versions. FAQs address common questions. And description outlines features and requirements, including minimum PHP versions. Remember, installing third-party plugins on WordPress.com typically requires a business or commerce plan, but you can still use the directory to check compatibility information, even on the free plan. That's it. You navigated to Settings, opened Server and PHP to view your current version, explored upgrade options when you need advanced control, and used the plugin directory to evaluate PHP-related tools and compatibility. Before making big changes, always review requirements and consider